Welcome to Technia TV. I am Shalini Guliani, Assistant Professor, BA JMC Department. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic Social Influencer and Social Consumers. Social consumer is essentially someone who consists those they trust through their social network before making a buying decision. For comparison, the traditional consumers would make a buying decision by considering the brand available and weighing the pros and cons based on the information provided by the brand. Word of mouth also factored into their decision, but it was based on these immediately available to them. Co-workers, families, friends, social consumers tend to distrust unsolicited promotions and advertising, want the ability to easily communicate with the brand, expect the brand to answer questions or address issues. Only pay attention to information relevant to them. Use their social channels to learn about new products. Search online for product ratings and reviews. A social influencer is simply a person who can influence the people. In beginning, celebrities were used as social influencer for brand endorsement. However, now everyone is a celebrity with a big number of followers on Facebook and Instagram. You are simply an influencer. Usually, a potential customer is most likely to get influenced by someone close to him as a friend or family or someone he just admire. However, in the digital world now, it is extending beyond that into the age of social influencer. We see every day new trendsetters influencing their friends, families, and followers. Social influencers are the key to successful marketing campaign and increasing brand exposure as well as sales. Influencers take number of routes to collaborate with brands on influencer campaigns. Some of the possibilities include Twitter parties with 1 to hundreds of influencers, blogs, articles on your behalf, product reviews, share your company's brand, product, or launch on their platform, YouTube products and ad videos, in person coverage of launch party or opening with social media coverage. Any combination of the above, social influencers have built their livelihood by writing, vlogging, blogging, and pining day in and day out. Certain influencers gain large followings due to their unique voice and quirkiness, and others for their authority. A good way to look at it is that an influencer is their own personal brand and they are professional marketers who have built an exceptionally massive followings, most often due to a willingness to do authentic, bold, different, and determined. Many influencers began their YouTube channels or blogs as personal projects that grew into every worthy social influence quality content over time, while others set out to become social influencers and targeted their content as such. The initial intention matters little. What is important for brand is the influencer ability to build gold out of social media content. Working with social media influencer. Working with social media influencer on an influencer marketing campaign is a great idea, but where do you begin? Connecting directly with the influencer can be challenging, although not impossible. This article in Entrepreneur offers some ideas about how to connect with high profile influencer on your own. If you choose to go it alone, how can you tell if someone holds significant social influence enough to make it impact worthy of an influence marketing campaign? One of the best thing to do is to take a look at their call out score, a number 1 to 100 that takes into consideration total number of followers across all platforms as well as things like reach, engagement, Wikipedia ranking, and other factors. What are the benefits of collaborating directly with influencer? You have the opportunity to cultivate a relationship with that person, to have sense of control over social influencer campaign, to direct your content when and where you wish. Drawbacks: consider the most influencer worth working with nowadays are represented by influencer marketing agencies. So even if you do contact them directly, or you might be dealing with a third party anyhow. Other challenges you may have not considered including negotiated compensation, managing a long-term multi-platform campaign with numerous influencers can become a complicated and overwhelming, and keeping influencer engaged with your campaign over and another campaign can become more difficult when working with agent free. The overuse of social media influencer is becoming ineffective for many reasons. There are some of them. Number one is obsessed with numbers. If influencer has big number of followers, it doesn't mean that he is credible to your brand. It's about quality, not quantity. Quality is referred to high engagement rates, loyalty from followers, and transparency in the communication. Number two is ruined by the commercials. Influencers are becoming commercial and money driven rather than being passionate about the brand. To the point, there is less authenticity and commitment of the brand. Competition. Influencers are competing to work with brands. Their focus is to get next contract rather than building a relationship with their audience. As there is high competition between influencers, there is no more connection with their audience. Number 4 is any influencer will do. Brands tend to overuse social media influencer by choosing many influencer for the times. Most of the times it turns out that they are using irrelevant influencer that do not share some of tone of voice as the brand. Number 5 is the overuse of hashtags. It is true that hashtags are the dominant act for companies to join the discussion on social media. However, hashtags are not always relevant and many times it gone wrong. In conclusion, influencers have been a great tool for marketers, influencing buying behaviors and showing great impact. This is all for today. Keep watching Technia TV.